Hi everybody, so welcome to the Ford Puma. It's the Gen E for the Show Me, Tell Me. So if we jump on in, first of all, can you show me how you would sound your horn? Yeah, easy. Can you show me how you would wash and wipe your front windscreen? Round here on the indicator stalk, so not that side like before, on the indicator stalk, we've got a little button on the end. If we push that button on the end, done. It'll stop itself. Can you show me how you would wash and wipe your rear window? Same again on the indicator stalk. This second ring in, we just pull it towards us, hold it for a second or so. Let go. Done. Sorted. Can you show me how you would demist your rear window? Over on the central display, down the bottom here, we've got rear window over this side, front window over this side. So we've got to touch the screen, lights come on to say they're on, lights go off to say they're off. Can you show me how you would switch on your dipped headlights? So our dipped headlights are across this side. And we're just going to turn this dial right the way around to the right. This lights up on here. Dipped headlights is then on. Can you show me how you would switch on your main beam? Pushing this one forward. How do you know it's on? There's your blue light. Back towards you, turns it off. How do you switch on your rear fog light? Again, back over here, just push the middle button. Rear fog light comes on, and again over there, orange light comes on to show you that it's on. When would you use your rear fog light? Visibility lower than 100 meters. How would you open and close a window? As before, buttons over here. We're going to do under the bonnet as well. For your under bonnet, we come to the passenger side of the car. Down here, we just pull this lever. That unlocks the bonnet. Round the front of the car, just down here, see that little yellow thing? We just push that to the side, lift the bonnet up. We've got a bonnet stay, so we can put that bonnet stay just up here and it'll hold the bonnet in place. But under here, so this is purely for the Puma Gen E, the electric one. This is not the petrol, diesel or hybrid one, because obviously there's no engine here, that's just a storage compartment under there. Can you tell me how you would check your coolant? There's your coolant. This one just here, making sure it's in between the minimum and maximum. Hydraulic fluid is this one here. Again, making sure it's in between the minimum and maximum. For your own sake, screen wash is this one here. But again, must stress, this is not the petrol, diesel or hybrid one. This is just the electric one. To close the bonnet, we'll bring it down fairly low and just let go, and it slams into place. If you've got any other questions about the Puma Gen E electric, let me know.